want to see that, please?
Don't forget the purse.
Olivia, that's Mommy's Christmas present, and I'm not even got to see it yet. Come over here. Look at all this stuff right here. This is for you to open.
Go open some presents. Hey, go open a present. Let's see.
Are you recording?
Here, this is to Olivia from Pa and Grandma.
Come here. Come over
Won't
here.
you open it?
Sit right here and open it.
Thank you.
No, this is for you. Come here. Oh, you want to see that one? Okay.
Come on.
Here, look, let me show you. You find a little place like this and rip it. Let's see, who is this from? This is from Pa and Granny. Grandma. Oh, look, you got a purse and a wallet and a cell phone. Oh, yeah.
What is that?
Are you a big girl? Here, let Mommy help you. We'll get it open.
Okay.
Oh, that's super cute. Let me see it from there.
That's perfect.
Oh, honey, look at your stuff.
For sure.
This is big girl stuff, isn't it? Shell wallet
What you have? What is that?
thing.
Oh, really? Well, yes, bye.
Here, let's put your little wallet in here.
Oh, God.
You want to put your phone in there and carry it? Oh, look at you, big girl.
Oh,
Can you say thank you? Tell the camera, say thank you, Grandpa.
Said thank you, Pa.
Alright. This is Mom. Do you want to open another one, Olivia? What's in this bag? This one's for you.
oh, goodness.
Perfect.
Set this down and look in this other bag. There's more. There's more toys.
Ooh, what one of them?
Oh, wow. That's nice. Where was that other thing from? Alexis?
That's
Oh,
Alexis.
God.
Oh, wow. Oh, sweet. I gotta scrub it. That's what we put. I need one of those for the next baby. Yes, Mommy, you're going to need one of those.
Say
Did
Merry
you find
Christmas.
what's in here? Strawberry shortcake movie. Look at that. Here. Look. Yeah, all over there.
Well,
Okay, I'll get your phone, but listen, there's more. There's lots more toys to look at. Look at this.
It's a baby.
Baby doll.
Look at Princess Crown.
Oh, she has a crown. Look at her. She has a bottle so you can feed her. Isn't she pretty? We've got some movies.
Is this her statue? Here, can you open
Let
this?
Mommy, I'll get your baby out while you open these other presents.
Here. Daddy started for you. I got something there you might like. Yeah, rip it.
what's that?
Another
Oh,
movie?
man.
Oh, a dog movie.
Beethoven's Big Break. We got a movie. 2 movies.
This one. This one.
Okay. What we got here? This is from Alexis. Here. You open it? Yeah, rip it, rip it.
Daddy made sure it has no Do I need to help you open the box?
Uh-oh, what's in it?
No, you got it, don't you? Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Let me get some blocks. Oh, it's blocks, Olivia. Yay! You love blocks? Oh, and it's in a little wagon. How cute is that? You can push it around. Daddy will have to get his knife. He can't get into it yet. You want to open this big, huge one? We're going to keep moving it for some. What was that? Door! Oh, let's turn it around. What do you have?
Ponies.
Oh, goodness. I know it. What is that? What is that? I know, but what is this little girl riding on? Is that a sickle? Look at all the buttons on it. Oh, that'll be fun. Well, we'll have to get down and put it together here in a minute. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Buttons to push. You can cut that. And this way we don't.
Oh, goodies.
I know. You want to open a few more presents and then we'll put your bicycle together? Here. Put that part up there first, too.
Okay.
I think it's good in this way before you start cutting it. Just combo it up a little bit. There you go. You got the hang of it now.
Whoa.
Whoa. What's in here? Oh. It's a little hat. To keep your pretty little head warm when you play outside.
Oh, wow.
Here.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Okay, hold this. Hold it. Can you open this one? There you go.
Oh, goodies.
Oh, do you like alphabet?
Open it.
Open? Okay, I'll open. Just listen. Look, you've got a couple more boxes to open. I'm working on it. Well, we don't have to dump them all out. Look, Daddy's got your baby free. You want to open these last two? There's two more. Here, let me work on this while you open your next present, okay?
We'll sit in Daddy's lap while you open it. Come here. Uh-oh. Hey, look. Come here. Come sit in my lap. Let's see what we've got here.
What did I give you?
Yeah, come here. Come over here. Oh. Here, don't you want to come over here? See what's in this one? Oh, you like animals. Look what it is.
Thank you.
Look.
Look, you got another animal movie.
All right.
Okay, one more.
Whoa,
You got one.
wow.
Get it. Oh, is that the one?
This is the bag that she pulled it out of.
Give you.
Hey, see what's in here. Can you pull it?
Quick, quick.
Oh, it's got a little monster.
Oh, what do you think's in here, Olivia?
Uh-oh. Thank you.
Hey, can you see what's in there?
Oh, no. Uh-oh.
What is that?
Thank you. I got that.
Is that a car?
Who is that?
Your
Dora. What is that?
card.
Yeah, it's a Dora car.
Alright.
Thank
You
you.
look right here and say thank you.
Can you tell Granny and Papa hi?
Say hi. Say hi.
She's like, we're I don't
Say
see
hi,
anybody. I don't see
camera.
anybody.
Hi, camera. Hi. Can you blow a kiss?
Mm.
Say love you.
Look. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
A-C-B-E-O-B. Oh, oh.
What letter is that?
Thank you.
No, that's A. Did you say A?
A.
Can you say B?
B.
Can you say C? Say C.
R.
That is an R, yeah, that's right. Can you say C?
C.
What's this? What comes after C?
W.
D.
D.
Where's the E?
W.
Here. Here's an E. Nope, that's W or an M. I can't.
What? W, Daddy.
Now you have to put your tricycle together.
I was there for two. You think it's two? Mama.
Don't pull your diaper off.
Come on. A. W.
You gonna put a tricycle together?